I'm Michael McHale. I'm a divorce lawyer in Lake Charles, and today I'd like to talk about what to do if your ex isn't following the court orders. What if you're supposed to have visitation on this day, and this day, and they're refusing to bring the child, or they're not paying their child support, or any other number of things. If there's been a court order and then they're not following the court order, what do you do? To do that, what you do in most cases is you would have to file what's called a rule for contempt. You'd file that with a court, and then a hearing would be set on that. The problem is that sometimes it's expensive to file those things, so some people are hesitant to do it. But if you can't work things out and the other party is being unreasonable, you're going to have to file a rule for contempt. Now, what happens with the rule for contempt, it'll go to court, and if the other person is found that they're not following the court orders, the court's going to hold them in contempt. With that, they would order them to do what they're supposed to do. They might fine them. They might award you attorney's fees, where they'd have to pay the court cost and pay your attorney. In some severe cases, if somebody's not paying child support or doing something really bad, the court can throw them in jail for contempt of court, and hold them there as long as the court thinks needs to happen. So it's not a complicated process, but it can be time consuming and can be expensive. But it's an option to think about and something to talk over with your attorney. If you have any other questions, please feel free to email me at michael@mchaleLawyer.com, or go to my website, mchaleLawyer.com, or just call me at the office. Again, anything I can do to help you out, I'm more than willing to do it. But talk to somebody. It ain't easy, but you don't have to do this alone.